Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this POCO. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Display section. Now scroll down again, click on Brightness Level, and tap on this switcher next to Automatic Brightness to turn it on or off. If you want to, you can always go into Tap menu instead and manage adaptive brightness by tapping on this shortcut to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!